12 reasons why you should eat a mango every day this summer. If you like sweets and plenty nutrition, mango is the perfect fruit for you. Mangoes may very well be the king of all fruits because they fight cancer, alkalize the body, regulate diabetes, help digestion, aid in weight loss, clear your skin and make the perfect snack. Since mangoes are so tasty, people forget they're healthy. You can eat mango in different ways, such as eating them in cubes, adding them to your salad, or even adding them to your smoothie. Mango is a nutrition-filled wonder fruit capable of giving your body the health it needs. Here are 12 reasons why you should eat a mango every day. 1. Combats cancer. Mango has antioxidants such as isocrocitrin, quercetin, astragalin, gallic acid, ficedin, and methyl gallate, which protect the body against breast, colon, leukemia and prostate cancers. 2. Keeps your cholesterol levels in check. When you eat a mango, you get high levels of vitamin C, fibers, and pectin to help lower serum cholesterol levels. Fresh mangoes are rich sources of potassium, an essential component of cell and body fluids for controlling the heart rate and blood pressure. 3. Skin cleanser. Mangoes help unclog pores and add freshness to your face. This fruit applies to any skin type and is best for acne caused by clogged pores. All you have to do is place thin slices of mango on your face for 10 to 15 minutes and wash your face. Repeat this quick procedure every day to see immediate results. You can use mango as a body scrub by making a paste of mashed mango, milk and honey. Your skin will feel more tender and smooth after a rejuvenating scrub. 4. Alkalize your body. Mango is rich in tartaric acid, malic acid and traces of citric acid, which helps in maintain the alkalinity of the body. 5. Weight loss and digestion. Mango is rich in vitamins and nutrients which help you feel stuffed after eating. Also, its fibers boost your stomach's digestive functions by burning excess calories, aiding weight loss. The enzymes found in mango help break down protein and aid in digestion because the fruit is rich in prebiotic dietary fiber, minerals, and vitamins. 6. Diabetes regulator. Aside from the fruit, mango leaves are healthy too because they help regulate insulin levels. Just boil 5 to 6 mango leaves in a vessel, soak it through the night, and drink the filtrate in the morning. The filtrate also serves as a stomach tonic you can drink every morning on an empty stomach. 7. Aphrodisiac. There is a reason why people call mango the love fruit. Mangoes have the ability to increase virility in men. Mango has a particular nutrient, vitamin E, which regulates sex hormones and boosts sex drive. 8. Heat stroke. To prevent heat stroke, put mango slices a blender or juicer, add a little water and a tablespoon of honey. Drink this concoction to cool your body instantly and beat the summer heat. 9. Strengthen your immunity. The powerful combination of mango's vitamin C, vitamin A, and 25 various carotenoids keep your immune system strong and healthy. 10. Increase your concentration and memory retention. Mango is rich in glutamic acid, which is an important alpha amino acid for your brain. If you have an exam, presentation or report, eat a mango the night before to get a refreshed mind. You can feed mangoes to children who have a difficulty concentrating on studies. 11. High iron for women. Mango is a natural solution for people suffering from anemia. The fruit may aid menopausal and pregnant women because of its high iron and calcium levels. 12. Reduce kidney stones. The Chinese believe mangoes have cooling energy capable of reducing the risk of kidney stone formation. Chinese medicine practitioners always recommend mangoes practitioners, especially for those suffering this particular condition. Instead of all the unhealthy chips and cookies, why not feast on mango slices? You may also snack on dried mangoes because they're among the tastiest dehydrated fruits out there. It's tasty, juicy and packed with the essential nutrients your body needs. Throw out those candies and go to the grocery store to buy some mangoes. I promise you. You won't regret it, Dr. Veronica.